This product was sent to me from a brand to do an honest review, and I may earn commissions on this video.
Water heater. Now, of course, you guys can use this in more than just an RV. All right, so let's take a look at the back first of all. So this is something that I really like, is they give you plenty of cable length. Some of these companies, like, they cut the cables off right here, and you barely have enough cable to tie in and do what you need to do. So you got your positive and negative. Water outlet, and also they keep everything so even. Like, for example, they have it lettered here: water outlet, gas inlet, water inlet. Some of these companies don't even put decals or even let you know which is which. And they have these caps on here. You just remove the cap to connect your water line. Same with the gas line. So the gas line is going to need to be connected for hot water. Got your specs on the back here as well. They do provide you with your gasket, your screws, and of course your manual. So, and they even have it on here, your electrical connections, which it says the blue is your remote connection, the red is your, positive obviously, and black is your negative obviously. And it gives you a little warning here. It says do not connect to a 120 volt or 240 volt AC. This is for 12 volts only, so you connect it to your RV battery. So, understand that this is not for something that you connect to your house electrical system. This would be something you would connect to a 12 volt battery connection. So you'd connect this to your 12 volt battery, positive and negative. So please keep that in mind, guys. It's designed for an RV or for an off-grid battery system setup, not for your house grid. So on the back here, we see our exhaust fan. They do give you your panel. So your panel is going to go over here, which is nice. But taking the panel off, you have your master on and off right through here. So, and you have your fuse, which is right here. I love how they made everything easy access, which is awesome. If you're using this, keep in mind that this is going to get really hot. So don't touch the metal and wait till it cools off if you ever take the panel off, my friends. So this is your remote. You're going to have that you can mount anywhere you want. You connect this to your blue remote cable. That's why they give you plenty, so you can mount it far away. You got on and off. You can turn it on. You can up the temperature and all that fun stuff with your remote. Plenty of cable length. Very nice. So guys, at the end of the day, if you're looking for that battery, 12 volt hot water heater, this is definitely what you guys are looking for. Again, this is not to be connected to your 120 volt or 240 volt house electrical system. This is to be connected to a 12 volt system. So RV, off-grid solar system, with your 12 volt batteries and that setup. Great for cabins, off-grid cabins and stuff like that, but not actually connected to a 120 plus volt system, which is in a typical house or, main electrical system. Always remember